Hi guys! Welcome back dito sa aking channel at para sa episode na ito, gawa naman tayo ng Black Forest Cake. So tara, umpisa na natin! Una, i-grease na natin yung ating pan. I'm using 2 6 inches pan. Ginrease ko lang ito ng baking spray. And then line na din natin ito ng parchment paper. Tapos iset aside lang natin ito. Tapos, i-prepare na natin yung ating coffee mixture. I have here half cup of hot water and then 1 sachet nung ating coffee. Haluin lang natin ito hanggang ma-dissolve and then set aside. Next naman is yung ating buttermilk. For our buttermilk, I have here 1 cup of fresh milk. Kung walang fresh milk, you can use evaporated milk. And then 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Haluin lang natin ito and then set aside. Tapos in a bigger bowl, pagsamahin lang natin yung ating white sugar at yung ating oil. Using a hand mixer, i-whisk lang natin ito or i-beat lang natin ito for around 2 to 3 minutes. Tapos, idagdag na natin yung ating egg one at a time. So, I'll be using 3 pieces of eggs for this recipe. Pagkatapos nito, idagdag na natin yung ating buttermilk and then continue mixing lang up until well combined na lahat ng ingredients. Sift na natin yung ating mga dry ingredients. So, I have here all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and then salt. Sift lang natin ito lahat and huwag nyo akong gayahin dahil pinilit ang maliit na strainer but in the end, kinaya. So, yan, sifted na lahat ng ating dry ingredients. And then, fold lang muna natin ito using spatula bago natin i-mix ng hand mixer. Tapos, idagdag na din natin yung ating coffee mixture. Then, beat lang natin ito up until wala nang buo-buo and well-blended na lahat ng mga ingredients. Also, make sure na i-scrape yung side para lahat is well-blended. Then, transfer lang natin ito doon sa ating pre-prepare na pan. Then, itap lang natin ito for several times para ma-release lahat ng air pockets doon sa ating butter. Then, bake lang natin ito sa ating preheated oven for around 55 to 60 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. At ito na nga yung ating cake. Napalamig ko na siya and na-level ko na din siya. And then, prepare na natin yung ating cherry syrup. I have here half cup of cherry syrup mula doon sa pinagbabara ng cherry and 2 to 3 tablespoon ng white sugar. Simmer lang natin ito hanggang ma-dissolve yung ating sugar. Tapos, ibubuhos natin siya doon sa ating cake para ma-absorb ng ating cake yung cherry syrup. Then, chill lang natin yung ating cake for around 30 minutes bago natin lagyan ng frosting. For frosting, I have here 1.5 cup of whipping cream. And then, add lang tayo ng around 1 to 2 tablespoon ng powdered sugar. And then, whisk lang natin ito using hand mixer. Once mag-stiff peak, scrape lang natin yung side and as you can see, smooth na ito and pwede na itong ilagay sa ating cake. Transfer lang natin ito sa piping bag. Now, time to assemble. So, first is yung ating frosting, followed by the first layer ng ating cake. And then, lagyan na natin ito ng first layer ng frosting. And spread lang natin ito. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng sliced cherry between every layer. You can also use glazed cherry for this recipe. Tapos, repeat lang natin yung process up until our third layer. And then, cover ko ito ng whipping cream all over. Tapos i-chill ko ito for around 30 minutes before ko ilagay yung final frosting. After natin ito malagyan ng final frosting na whipping cream, lalagyan naman natin ito ng chopped chocolate. For the chopped chocolate, what I did is I melted chocolates and then inispread ko ito sa isang wax paper and then hinayaan kong lumamig para ma-form yung ating chocolate. I find it easier compared dun sa pag-grate ng chocolate. Tapos maglagay lang tayo ng swirl doon sa ating top. And then maglagay tayo ng signature cherry for our black forest cake. And that's it. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong video na ito. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, click subscribe and click the notification bell na din for more updates. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!